welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to teach you a really good dish for breakfast. It's going to be tapioca egg, and it's also a really good way to get your kids into eating egg.
Here are the ingredients. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of tapioca, 2 slices of ham, 2 slices of cheese or 50 grams of cheese cut in cubes. First we will crack the egg and add the tapioca, mixing it well. Then add your pinch of salt. Put a bit of butter or oil in a pan and turn it on to medium heat. Add the mix to the pan. And once it's well done on one side, flip it to the other side and then flip it over again. Add the cheese and ham and then close the other side. Now it's ready to serve.
The real name of this dish is crepioca, as Brazilians call it. It's a different way of doing an omelette, and it's a really good way to get kids into eating eggs. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments which is your favorite breakfast dish, and maybe I can do in the next video. And I see you next Thursday.